Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about what is relationship in Salesforce. So let's see what is relationship first. So relationship is a way to connect two or more objects. If I am talking about types of relationship, so there are basically three types of relationship in database basically. Number one is one-to-one relationship. It means in this relationship, one record of one object, or you can consider one table, is associated with one record of another object, right? So, for example, suppose in one object I am holding a user ID and password of a customer, and in another object I am storing a detailed information like name, phone, address, etc. So here if I'm talking about the one customer ID, one customer information is related with one detailed information or detailed record. So here we can consider as one to one relationship. So number two is one to many relationship. In this relationship, one record of one object is associated with many record of another object, right? So if I'm talking about an example, suppose in one object I am storing the customer name and customer ID, and another object I am storing the order number, customer ID, order number and order item, means what item he is ordering to purchase. So here if I am talking about the first object that is holding customer ID and customer name, so one customer can order the multiple items, right? So in this way here we can consider it is showing as a one to many relationship, right? Now next is many to many relationship. In this relationship, each record of one object can be associated with many record of another object in both way, right? Both way in the sense one object, one record of one object can be associated with the many records of another object. And if I am talking about the second object, so from where also one record can be associated with the many records of the first object, right? So for example, suppose there is an event or we are organizing an event, so multiple person can be registered for one event, right? And multiple event can be attended by the one person, right? So in this way, many to many relationship, we can connect the record from the both of the side, one to many. So why we need a relationship? Suppose if we don't have any relationship, then with every new record we need to add new row. In this way our database become more complex, and in future if we want to retrieve any related information, so we cannot do that. So by using relationship we can solve this problem and keep our data in organized form, right? So that is about the relationship. Now come to are in Salesforce. So relationship in Salesforce refers to the way two or more objects connected or related to each other within the data model. Relationship defines how records of one object are associated with record of another object, and it allows us to retrieve the related data efficiently. Suppose we want to retrieve our data from the two connected tables, so we can apply our query to get the information as per our requirement, right? So Salesforce support basically two types of relationship. Number one to many relationship, and one to many relationship we can achieve by using lookup field and by creating master detail field. Another type of relationship Salesforce support many to many relationship. So many to many relationship we can achieve by using junction object. So what is junction object we will discuss in our further videos. For now we just consider lookup field and the master detail field. So come to our next slide. So here lookup relationship, I have object library book category, means how many categories book available in our library. So this object is considering as a 1. So category is 1. So suppose for example I am taking a type category of novel or programming book. So there are multiple books are available of programming and novels, right? So this is my another object that will consider as a many relationship. So here we are going to establish one to many relationship. Now come to our org. This is my home page and this is my application. So here I have this object, library book categories, right? And in this category how many books are available, that is available book libraries, libs, right? So how we can create lookup field relationship? So for this just go to our setup. So in our lookup relationship we need to create a lookup relationship on our many relationship object. So which is my many one? This is available book library, right? So I need to open this available book library. So open our object. This one, just click here, come to our fields and relationship, click on new. So here you can say there is a lookup relationship, it is available in data type. Just click here. You can read here also, create a relationship that link this object to another object, right? The relationship field allow user to click on a lookup icon to select the value from a pop-up list. We will see later this. So just select this option, lookup relationship. Now click on next. Here I need to select the object related to. So related to which object? This is my object, library book categories, right? So I need to select this object, library book categories, right? Now click on next button. So here what field name you want to give, it will be the same as the label, right? Or object name you can say. If you want to give any description regarding this relationship you can give, and if you want to make it required you can, otherwise just click on next, right? So this is the availability to the profile. You can change as per your requirement. I am not going to make any change here, I am just keeping it as it is. Just click on next button. It is asking for page layout, just click on next button. Now related list label is this, yes, just click on save, right? Now come to our application, just refresh. So this is my library book category. Here I haven't entered any record, so I need to give the category. Firstly I am giving a programming. Now save. One more type I want to create, that can be physics books. I'm going to create one more, that is three books, right? So I have created three categories in my this category. Now come to our, here I have created a lookup relationship, right? If I will click here, so you can see this list is coming from, means which categories are available in my library. I can select, or suppose I am entering a Salesforce programming book, so I can choose a category from here. So it is a programming book, right? And click on save. So in this way we can create our lookup relationship, or we can achieve one to many relationship by creating a lookup field, right? Now come to our second one, that is master detail relationship. It is also used for creating a one to many relationship. So what is the difference between lookup and the master detail, I will discuss in my next video, right? So for now I'm going to just demonstrate how we can create one to many relationship by using lookup field and by using master detail field. So in master detail field, here is my object available book library. Now here I am taking as a master object. It will work as a master object, and here I'm considering the relationship as a one, right? And in writer I have another object, that is a writer. So if I'm talking about the programming book, so one programming book, as I have taken an example Salesforce programming, so one programming book can be a library can have a same book by multiple writers, right? So here I'm using this as a many writers. Okay, so in this example my available book library work as a master object and this one work as a detail object, right? So where we need to create a master detail field, so we need to create our master detail field on detail object, similar are as our lookup relationship, right? So come to our org, and here, so now I'm taking this object as a one and this object as a many, so it will work as a master and it will work as a detail, right? Okay, so let's do how we can create a master detail relationship between these two objects, right? So come to our home page, open our detail object, that is our writer. Click here, go to our fields and relationship, click on new. So here master detail relationship is available, right? So just click here, and next related to this one is related to my this available book library. This one. Okay, so just click on next button. All steps are similar, it will take as a same. Now click on next, click on next. Here I want to explain only one difference between lookup and the master. Lookup relationship, there is not a mandatory field, but in master detail it is a mandatory, so we must have enter a value, right? So that's why, and it is by default visible to all profile. I cannot make any change here, but in lookup I can make a visibility as per my requirement. So that is a single difference between lookup and the master. For now, in next video I will explain in detail. So click on next button, click on next, and click on save, right? So come to our application, just give a refresh to our application. See, if I will click here on writer object, click on new, so here you can say available book library is available here, and it is a mandatory field. If I am entering a writer here, so for now suppose I am just taking a ABC as a writer name, and available book is only Salesforce programming is here. Okay, so I can select from this list, or if I want to add more, so I can add from here, right? available book name and library book category. Okay, so for now I'm just choosing this book, and this book is available if writer name this, right? So click on save, right? So in this way we can create our one to many relationship by using our lookup relationship and by using our master detail field, right? What is the basic difference? In lookup relationship, that is not a mandatory field, right? This is not a mandatory field, I can keep it as a blank. But in master detail, it is a mandatory field, I must need to fill a value here, right? So this is the basic difference, and this is a pop-up window which from where I need to select any category, right? So in this way we can create our lookup and master detail relationship, or we can achieve one to many relationship in the Salesforce Lightning. So what is the difference we will discuss in our next video. That's all about the today video. And so thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel to get more videos, and leave a comment for your feedback and suggestions. Thank you for watching.